Alright guys, let's get real. So how many times have you opened a trade just hoping it works? I mean without any analysis. Sounds crazy, right? So today I will show you exactly how I built my setups using only logic. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Alright guys, let's get started with the trading session, and we're starting with $1,000 deposit. And all trades will have a 1 minute expiration time, and the analysis will be done on the 1 minute time frame. And guys, as you can see, we are trading commodity stocks today, and I haven't done any prior detailed analysis, so we'll figure everything out as we go. So I've selected the most optimal assets based on payout percentage, and overall everything looks good, so we can begin. Let's go over the indicators. We have exponential moving average with a period of 21, so that's the purple one, and now the exponential moving average with a period of 9, right turquoise, and a fractal with a period of 6, so used to identify local and global structural highs and lows, and also a RSI with period of 20 to determine the market's movement dynamics. So we'll keep everything at default settings without changing anything. Alright, let's get into it. And I'll explain each trade in detail so you can better understand how the tools work. I think this session will be useful for everyone. So let's open our first trade. And first, okay, let's scroll through all the assets. Look, here we can stop right away. The first trade will be a buy position. There is potential for a trend reversal, so let's draw a horizontal line to check how strong this global low is. And yeah, it looks like a strong level and we can rely on it. And next, the price has just crossed the moving average and the lines themselves are crossing upwards, so that's how buy signal. And guys, before that we had a small pullback, a red candle, which works in our favor. And the RSI crossed the midline around the 50, the mark, confirming the signal, and the first trade closed loss. Hey, no worries, that's fine. We'll open another one for $250. Guys, the entry wasn't perfect. And unfortunately, the asset got disabled, so the trade will be considered invalid. It can't even be reviewed. Yeah, let's add this one. And in the end, the position closed in profit. Not the best trade, I guess. But still, first trade lost, but the second one won. And as you can see from the points, it closed in profit, guys. Anyway, it's perfect. Okay, let's remove this asset. And we finished in profit, and we're currently up by $130. And I didn't have much time to show deep analysis yet, but we'll get to that into the next trades. And let's continue and find the next entry. And look, here we can open another buy position with this volume. And the logic is the same. So we can notice these moving averages that crossing upward, and also RSI dynamics just showing the same movement. That's why the signal confirmed here. And we'll open an additional position if needed, no worries. And right now we're seeing some short-term fluctuations. But remember guys, that is 1 minute expiration time. Just meaning a scalping mode, so even small candle movements matter a lot here. So focus is key. So you've got to catch every impulse. And as you can see, this trade also closed in profit. So perfect. In general, guys, that was a really good signal on this asset. Microsoft's volatility is great, so everything went smoothly without any problems. So we're now up $214. And by the way guys, this and many other strategies I trade together with my team inside my private community, and the results are truly impressive. So you can check them in my open group. You can go right now there, so where we post daily stats. The link is in the description of the video guys, so below this video, go there and check it out. And also we run test trading sessions with open stats and stable results, and over 70% signal accuracy. And the best part, we trade with 3-minute expiration time instead of 1 minute, which makes signals even more reliable by filtering short-term noise. And we pre-analyze all assets before giving signals. If you'd like to try this trading format, just join us. And meanwhile, so I offer you to continue our trading guys. So let's do that, and we'll open $100 trade and find the next asset. And I think it would be best idea to stop here, so I just want to draw a horizontal level. Perfect. So there is an upward trend above this level, showing potential for continued growth, especially after that impulsive pullback from the previous candle. Just look at that guys. The entry is perfect here, so I'm just expecting the price to break the previous high. And the logic remains the same. Moving averages crossing upward, and several crossings in a row. Addison moving toward the 17 mark into the overbought area, confirming the signal. And that's why that's a really good signal. And it's a tense moment here. And by the way, the trade closes in profit, so excellent. I'm so proud of it. So let's analyze a few more assets so we don't drag out the session. So let's continue. I think guys already noticed the main idea here. So you need to look for moving average crossings to monitor every side dynamics, especially around the level of 50. And always check the technical structure for extra confirmation points, so on. So let's move on and pick the next asset. And guys, on this one, I'm going to take a small risk. Just opening a sell position here. But it's really risky here. So we got 3 trades left in reserve, so I'll take a chance anyway. Yeah, I'll do that. The reason is the structural level. I often trade these setups. So after bullish volume, we're seeing bearish movement forming, and we just have time to just has the potential. So, there was a slightly stronger entry point earlier, guys, but it's fine. But we've got backup trades, and I expect a pullback here. So, and I'm opening an additional position now. Maybe I entered the first one a bit too early. Just should have waited for the next candle instead of just jumping mid move. But I will do that next time. And as you can see, guys, every side shows is showing a bounce from the overbought area downward, and that is another confirmation. And as I said in the beginning, guys, the entry is risky, really risky one, but the logic is clear. And guys, sometimes use size trees in our sessions too, but with deeper preparation and analysis. The pullback did happen really, so since we are on 1 minute time frame, the previous red candle worked perfectly. And the logic was absolutely correct. So the dynamic just showed the pullback. Yep. So let's review one last asset and just wrap up today's session, I guess. And guys, let's open a buy trade here and just preparing a backup position in case of strong bearish pressure. No, the volatility is high, but the overall trend remains bullish. And there is a touch point that was broken and a new one formed that signals a continuation of the trend. And earlier we also see the moving averages crossing upward, and the price itself crossing both lines from below. That's our buy signal too. Also, just have a look to RSI dynamics. So it crosses the 50 mark from below, that confirming the signal again. So great entry got, guys. We caught on 2 small pullback candles, and in general the trade closes in profit. And guys, once again, all these strategies, so personally developed and tested over the years. So all the ones we use in our private trader community, and all the info is available in my public group. And if you'd like to join and to trade with us, so the link is in the description of the video, guys. So as you can see, the results are pretty excellent. We've got today, we've made over $500 even with the basic analysis. So that's a great outcome, isn't that? So let's lock in the profit. Now let's go to the withdrawal tab. And we're gonna withdraw to a Bitcoin wallet. So the amount $528. So let's pass the address and entering the Google Authenticator code and press click. Continue, and the operation is successfully completed, guys. And that's it, guys. So just as always, just clean, simple and profitable as you like. And if you are not in my WAP community, guys, it's time to join right now. And my dearest friends, so if you'd like to join my WAP community, you're welcome. So go below the video, you'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram, where you can message me right now and to ask something about my WAP community and to join right now. And guys, if you found some unclear moments, something complicated you found during the watching this one, also go below the video and just message me.